and welcome to our shopping channel. My name is James and I'm here today to tell you a little bit about our new range of power tools from Vido. So like Milwaukee, Ryobi and DeWalt, Vido have brought out their own one-size-fits-all power tool. This is the 18-volt range of power tools which are ideal for the consumer and for the jobbing workman as well. And as you can see, one battery conveniently slides off and will fit all the other tools as well. Today what I would like to do is to zone in on a couple of their products, in particular the Brushless Driver and the Impact Driver, because at the moment on DoorTech Direct we have an offer. And that offer is if you buy these two together you get 12% off. But not only that, if you buy any of the Vido Power Tool range, so if you buy two of any of the Vido Power Tool range, you will actually get an additional 18-volt battery as well. And like I said, they're interchangeable batteries, so they're really good. So this is the Brushless Driver. The controls are very similar to DeWalt, Ryobi and Milwaukee. You have your gears across the top, which you can quite easily access by turning this nozzle here. There's 15 gears and then there's an extra setting for drilling, and then there's two separate speeds, speed 1, speed 2. In order to change the direction of drill or the screw, again you have this simple control here. This one goes in, that one goes out. What I particularly like about this tool is the fact that there's a nice little light located here, so if you're working in dark conditions, this can be quite convenient for lighting up anything that you need to drill in. Furthermore, there's a battery reading as well, so you know as soon as the battery's getting a little bit low and you need a charge, or you need to grab one of your other 18-volt batteries. This is the Brushless Driver from Vido, and this is the latest edition, which is an Impact Driver. The difference between the two of these products is, as you can tell straight away, there's no gears on this particular product, neither is a speed set. And the way I would describe this is it's like driving an automatic car. So with manual cars, obviously you have gears and all the rest of it. With an automatic car, it'll automatically select the gear that's best for the drive, and that's the same with this product as well. For any of you that attend building sites quite frequently, you'll also be familiar with the sound. Driver may quite a loud sound. So I'll get this loaded up, and I'll just show you as well that when you're loading a drill bit into this or anything, what you do is you actually pull out this little flange here, and that connects the bit, and then that's fully connected and locked. So if I just grab one of these screws from over here, that's the sound that you're familiar with. There's a significant amount more turning force and torque on an Impact Driver than there is a traditional driver. So I highly recommend these products, and like I said, at the moment on DoorTech Direct there's an offer where if you buy the Brushless Driver and the Impact Driver you will get a 12% discount off your purchase, so get it whilst it's hot. If you have any questions whatsoever, please contact our customer service team, who can be contacted using the email address or the telephone number located at the end of the video. Or alternatively, if you're happy and you want to buy the product, just click on the Buy Now link and that will take you straight to the product page. Please remember to like and subscribe if you like what you've seen. Thank you very much for watching.